In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the calendar in HoneyBook. Whether you're organizing a busy schedule or just getting started, knowing how to effectively use HoneyBook's calendar can really streamline your workflow. First things first, let's open your calendar. Navigate to the calendar section of your HoneyBook dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. Seeing your dates and appointments in one place is a great way to start your day, providing an overview of what's coming up. Now, if you often use another calendar system, you might want to sync an external calendar. This step is optional, but it's quite common for those who manage multiple platforms. Look for the Sync Calendar button in the calendar view. It might also appear as Connect Calendar, depending on your version of HoneyBook. Click on that and choose which external calendar you'd like to sync with, Google, iCloud, or Outlook. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and sign in with those credentials and allow any necessary permissions. This is crucial to keep your data safe and integrated. Decide whether you want a one-way sync, where events from your external calendar populate HoneyBook, or a two-way sync, which allows for changes in both directions. Once you've made your decision, confirm your choice. Next, setting your availability is a key part of managing your time effectively, and this is done through HoneyBook's Scheduler. Navigate to Tools in the top menu, and then select Scheduler. Here, you can click on any existing session type or create a new one that suits your needs. Under the availability settings, you'll have the opportunity to define your working days, your specific hours, and even buffer times between meetings. This setup is fundamental to avoid burnout and ensure you have time to prepare between appointments. When you've filled everything out to your liking, don't forget to hit Save. This step ensures that all your preferences are recorded. Finally, let's return to the calendar to see how everything looks. Head back to the calendar section in your HoneyBook dashboard. You should now see your synced events alongside your open availability slots. This cohesive view ensures you're always aware of what's on your plate and can manage tasks accordingly. It's satisfying to see your schedule align perfectly, knowing that everything is in place for smooth operations. And there we have it, a concise yet comprehensive way to set up your calendar in HoneyBook. By syncing external calendars, setting your availability, and reviewing it all in one simple interface, you free up more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.